Cooking is an art, and finding the right tools to bring your culinary creations to life is essential. This Staub 3.5-quart braiser with glass lid is one of those pieces of cookware that every kitchen should have. Made in France, this enameled cast iron braiser combines the best of traditional cooking with modern technology. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, the Staub Braiser helps you cook like a pro every time. Why the Staub 3.5-quart braiser is a kitchen essential. 1. Superior heat retention for perfect results every time. When it comes to cooking techniques like braising, browning, and roasting, heat control is everything. The Staub Braiser delivers unparalleled heat retention and distribution, making it easier than ever to cook meals with perfect results. The black matte enamel interior creates the ideal surface for searing and caramelizing, allowing your food to develop rich, deep flavors while maintaining a tender, juicy texture. Whether you're preparing a roast or a slow-braised stew, the Staub Braiser guarantees that every dish is cooked to perfection. 2. Versatility at its best. One of the standout features of this 3.5-quart braiser is its versatility. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can use it on the stovetop to sear meats or vegetables, then transfer it straight to the oven to finish your cooking. This makes it an all-in-one solution for a variety of dishes. The smooth enamel bottom works with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction, allowing you to cook with ease regardless of your kitchen setup. Whether you're braising meats, simmering soups, or roasting vegetables, this braiser is a perfect choice for all types of cooking. 3. Durable and long-lasting construction. The Staub Braiser is built to last. Crafted from enameled cast iron, this braiser offers exceptional durability. The enameled finish is chip-resistant, ensuring your cookware remains beautiful for years. Unlike traditional cast iron, the enamel coating prevents rust, making this braiser easy to maintain. Plus, the black matte enamel interior ensures excellent browning without sticking, helping you create restaurant-quality meals with minimal cleanup. Elegant and functional design. Not only is the Staub 3.5-quart braiser a high-performance piece of cookware, but it also brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The vibrant cherry color adds a pop of color, and the sleek, timeless design ensures that this braiser looks just as good on the table as it does in the oven. The glass lid with a stainless steel knob provides a convenient way to monitor your cooking while retaining moisture, ensuring that your dishes stay tender and flavorful. 5. Easy to clean and maintain. Cleaning up after cooking doesn't have to be a hassle. The Staub Braiser is dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about scrubbing off stuck-on food. The enameled surface prevents food from sticking, making it easier to wipe down after use. The durable enamel finish also ensures that this braiser resists staining, so it will continue looking great for years to come. Key features of the Staub 3.5-quart braiser. Made in France, using premium enameled cast iron for superior performance. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for searing, braising, roasting, and baking. Black matte enamel interior provides excellent browning and easy cleanup. Smooth enamel bottom works on all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Chip-resistant enamel ensures durability and longevity. Who should buy the Staub 3.5-quart braiser? This braiser is perfect for home chefs who want to create tender, flavorful braises, roasts, and stews. Experienced cooks looking for a versatile, durable piece of cookware that performs well on all stovetops. Anyone who loves slow-cooked, flavorful meals and wants the convenience of an oven-safe cookware piece. Those who appreciate quality craftsmanship and want cookware that will last for years. Final thoughts. Why Staub should be your go-to brand for cookware. If you want cookware that combines high performance, beautiful design, and lasting durability, the Staub 3.5-quart braiser with glass lid is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Its ability to evenly distribute heat, retain moisture, and withstand high temperatures makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about cooking. Whether you're braising a hearty beef stew or roasting a chicken to perfection, this braiser delivers exceptional results every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.